Ainsworth Maguire is a growing and passionate PR company with a global reach. We are technical specialists who understand the complex marketing process in engineering, construction, manufacturing, medical device and technology businesses. There have never been so many ways of getting your message out there. We will work with you to find your audience and reach into their world via case study press releases, in-depth feature articles, journalist briefing packs, white papers, blogs, tweets, LinkedIn pages, and video. What makes us different from other PR companies is our enthusiasm for industry and our ability to grasp, translate, and turn your technical and complex messages into something your audience can easily understand. We have worked with many leading UK and international companies since we started in 1985. Specialising in industry has given us credibility and strength within the media. Common to all our customers is their need to address decision makers in high-value professional markets with complex messages, and to do this in a planned and sustained way. Our highly skilled writers research your news stories, coordinating with third parties to gain consent and approval. We then write in-depth and authoritative copy, attractive to readers. We will identify bespoke media lists and tailor your key messages to reach your audience, enabling them to understand your business more easily. Feature articles will help set you up as a trusted, reliable voice within your business community. We also provide graphic support for exhibitions and events. Stories can be repurposed into printed case histories. Copy can be taken from news and turned into brochures, e-newsletters, and even full websites. Bringing your story to life as video is essential. Equipped with the latest video cameras and editing software, our professional camera crews can turn our words into action, engaging your customers viewing via desktop, tablet, or smartphone. Anything from short how-to videos for your website and YouTube channel up to full broadcast quality productions can be scripted, filmed, and professionally voiced over. To tell your story, you need professionals who understand the big issues and change drivers, grasp complex topics, are creative and enthusiastic, have a proven track record, do not charge retainer fees. To tell your story, you need Ainsworth Maguire PR. Contact us now.